Stir and garnish it. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more mocktail, Marshmallow Beach Mocktail. How to make Marshmallow Beach Mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add some ice cube. You can add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to squeeze one fresh lemon. So you can squeeze for this mocktail a little bit of more lemon. Okay, I am squeezing like 2 lemon juice. One more lemon. You have to squeeze. Because actually I am using more big glass, that's why. Okay, then you have to add, this is the marshmallow syrup, you have to add 15 ml, and you have to add 10 to 15 ml of blue cocoa syrup. Yes. 10 to 15 ml of blue cocoa syrup, and you have to use like 60 ml of lychee juice. That's it. You can add one more. Yes. 120 ml of lychee juice you have to add. Then simply shake all the ingredients properly. These all are simple mocktail. Then take a tall glass and pour all the ingredients. Then simply just fill the glass with soda and Sprite. That's it. See how the fancy color came. You can decorate with lemon, and you can garnish with on garnish umbrella and serve with on stir and garnish it. See how the fancy mocktail is ready, refreshment mocktail. You can try this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.